Your car may be one of your most costliest possessions. Besides your house, you got it, and you want to take care of it, of course. Maintenance is really important, right, Brian?
Absolutely.
And by maintenance, what is a regular maintenance? What is that primarily?
Great question. So cars need a lot less maintenance than they used to, for sure. But there's still there's tire rotations,
Sure.
Some filter changes, air filter, engine intake, air filter. But there's fluid changes, right? Oil changes. Most people know what oil changes are. But there's other fluids in the car too: brake fluid, transmission fluid, power steering fluid. Some cars have power steering fluid. All those fluids have a maintenance schedule. It's longer than it used to be. But it still needs to be done to protect the systems that the fluids run in. So the cool thing, what we do, whether it's engine oil, transmission oil, power steering fluid, brake fluid, when you do those fluid services with us to protect the systems, and it's got to be done anyway, all those systems get a warranty if those services are done when they're supposed to be done. For example, engine oil. We partner with Castrol to offer a 500,000 mile engine warranty. So when you do the oil changes as they're supposed to be done with us, using a great product, Castrol puts a 500,000 mile warranty on that engine.
Wow,
that's amazing.
It's like you're going in for new liquids, which you know you need.
Yes.
But liquids, but you're getting real protection for your...
Absolutely.
I mean, warranted protection.
Warranted protection.
It's not just a matter of doing it because it's good for your car. It's darn good for your car because it's warranted.
Yes.
And that's good for your pocketbook, too.
And it doesn't cost you a nickel.
No, nothing extra.
Whereas these extended warranties, you pay a lot of money for them, and when you need them, they don't work most of the time anyway. So it's good.
You know, Brian shared another piece of work they do. I'm not going to tell you what it is because I want you to look at the other videos on this website, but their warranty is even better than you get from the OEM. Why don't you look at those other videos and see if you can find it? And if so, you're going to want to take advantage, but you're definitely going to find your way to Weber Automotive. They do great work, and Brian's a good guy and very, very good crew too that you have working for you. So,
thank you.
So bring it on in and make sure your car is in tip-top shape.